Well, one thing I've always wanted to do, come into Las Vegas, and hello, Monkey Boy.
Hi, guys.
Gary in the house tonight, is to just one time in Vegas, just one time, go top drawer here, and tonight is the night. Going to be heading over to the Golden Nugget to Anthony and Vic's, the nicest steakhouse in downtown Las Vegas. So glad to have you guys along this evening. We just stopped in here, parked at Binion's parking lot. Behind me you can see some of the legends of poker there, Doyle Brunson, and I was telling you last night, this is where the Poker Hall of Fame is. If you look on the wall over there, you'll see all them, some of the greatest names in poker, but we don't care about that. We're here for a night on the town. Gary's looking sharp. I'll have him do a quick video of my outfit tonight, and we'll be underway.
There she is in her glory.
Got the coach bag tonight. Look at the shoes. My regulation wedges.
I think this looks much better than a capri pants. Much better.
Casino Center. Wait to cross Casino Center. Wait to cross Casino Center.
All right, we are inside of the Nugget here. Just have to find out where the Anthony and Vic's Steakhouse is. Yeah. It's got to be making you hungry. Look at that. Okay, thank you. Wow, look at this place. I like the atmosphere. I'm not quite used to the lighting yet, but it's pretty cool. They've already hit us with the bread there and the butter, very fancy. Take a little bit to look over the menu. I think I'm gonna get a steak.
Oh my God!
The
Yes.
candlelight there, yes.
Hey guys.
First class all the way from me. No elbows on the table.
So I think the other option is fantastic. About 6 ounces. Serve that inside it could be put in a sherry.
think of that? Real Roquefort blue cheese on that.
Absolutely.
It's unbelievable, isn't it? The pungency and the taste of that is unbelievable. Really enjoying it, guys. You wanted Rosie to have the first class experience. I'm doing it. So, how was your day?
Marvelous.
Wow. Did your polo pony perform well today?
No, we had
Did you
to
play
shoot
a couple
him.
chuckers
We
today?
had to shoot him to buy 2 more.
Oh my goodness. You'll have to talk to Chauncey down at the stable and have him get a better acquisition for you. I'm going to suggest maybe a Kentucky or Maryland bred.
Well, that works. I'll let you pick the color.
I'll have my boy call your boy up in the thing.
Okay. I'll be working on the color.
What do we have the ribeye here. We got a hot plate. That looks pretty good. Oh, that is a hot plate. That's good. Can't really see it, but it looks beautiful. It's very well done.
Vinegar tartar sauce.
Okay.
I'll be right back with broccoli.
There's the sea salt fries, and we have some broccoli coming too. Monkey boy, take that first shot, huh?
Amazing.
Bet that baby's tender.
It is raw. It's tender. I can see it still wiggling.
Yep. Notice the hand extension here. Now we rotate the meat to a prime slicing position. We don't slice like this, we come in high. Very delicately switch our fork, American style. Dab your mouth. Monkey boy, but that steak was a 10 out of 10. You really get what you pay for on that, and that thing was absolutely delicious, perfectly done, delicious. What do you think?
Knocked it out of the park.
Are you blown away on this, from the salad
One of the best
to
meals
the?
I've had in a
And
long
unbelievable, the quality of the beef is, that's what you come here for, the aged beef. And really the price isn't that bad for, you're having something you're not going to have every day, special occasion thing. It's good in life to have that. So
I was happy with the salad.
That was good with that Roquefort, wasn't it?
God.
Woo! How often have I ever done that on 7 years on YouTube? Like, never done something like that. But it's all thanks to the generosity of you guys for making something like that possible. And I have to tell you, as the night goes on, how very appreciative I am of that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.